In this episode, we will be learning how to enable notification setting in Zangi. To enable notification on Zangi, first of all, launch the Zangi app open on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and once you are done, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. From the settings interface, go scroll down and then tap on notifications. You can then go ahead and toggle on the button right next to notifications option. If you want to toggle on the chat notification, tap the toggle button right next to chats. Similarly, you can turn on notifications for group, showing previews, and other options are available as well. Select the notification that you'd like to turn on and simply tap on the toggle button right next to it in order to turn on notification setting for your Zangi account. After you turn on the notification setting, you'll start receiving notifications whenever you receive a message or a call, depending on the type of notification that you've enabled. So that's how you easily turn on notification in Zangi application. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.